Pleasant Hill, Carlisle, Bondurant, Colfax, Monroe, Prairie City, Baxter, Iowa Speedway, Prairie Meadows, Adventureland Amusement Park, Runnels, Lambs Grove. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Polk County in central Iowa, northeastern Madison County in south-central Iowa, eastern Dallas County in central Iowa, northwestern Warren County in south-central Iowa, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dallas Center to near Grimes to near Siloraville Lake, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Des Moines, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale, Johnston, Clive, Altoona, Waukee, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Eagle, Windsor Heights, Polk City, Siloraville, Dallas Center, Granger, DeSoto, Van Meter, and Southridge Mall. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile marker 62 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 91. Interstate 80 between mile markers 110 and 142. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and south-central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Dallas, Madison, Polk, and Warren. The National Weather Service